Well, hello and welcome. So yeah, this is going to be one of the, I suppose, only times that I'm going to try and do some editing. So I've tried it in the past and no good whatsoever, but who knows, we'll give it a second shot. So to the one and only person that actually views my video, which is obviously myself, thank you very much. The only reason I watch it is because I've got to edit. Never mind. Today what we're doing, well, we're going to go to Bala, do a little food review on a cafe that we've been to before, meeting up with a mate of mine, Jody and Stuart. So I won't bore you too much, but the next time that you see us, we'll be heading into Bala and meeting up with Stuart. So yeah, perfect. It is what it is. So let's have some fun, enjoy the ride, and we'll see you at Bala. All the best, and bye for now. Sounds great. There's me thinking it was that cafe over there, but now they've changed it to this one over here. I don't understand what's going on. I thought we were going.
No, she got a boyfriend.
We're going to that cafe.
Yeah, he's just having.
Oh yeah.
I just got to think. Hiya,
How are you?
Jess,
You okay?
Right? Yeah.
Say hello.
Hello.
Sorry, yeah. If you don't want the YouTube bit,
Hello.
then I shall.
You rang me at 10:05.
Yeah. We just got here, isn't it? Have you?
Only 10 minutes ago. And
Oh, right,
thought
okay.
You maybe, 10-15 minutes. I thought,
Yeah.
I
Is
like
that
this
what
cafe, I like the coffee.
Yeah, it
Sit
is
down.
nice here.
Well,
isn't it?
we
This
have
is
to
where
move
we
to
were
the
last time,
Bahamas.
wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's not.
Oh. Not going to do anything. Anyway, it turns out I was at the right cafe. I'll need to make sure I don't get hit by behind. Well, no, it's an Audi in it. Anyway, so we're now heading over to Badell Aur. Don't ask me how to, I don't know, pronounce it or what the translation is. Okay, we're going in. We're going for table 7. I think this is where we were last time.
That's mine. Thank you very much.
There we go. And curry.
Please.
Yeah.
Oh, tap.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Thank you very much.
Gravy, okay.
So,
Vlog it.
it's been vlogged.
Is it? Good.
So it's been vlogged. So yeah, this is the fish, chips and gravy. Oh, you went for curry, didn't you? I should have gone for curry.
Oh, you went for gravy, did you?
Yeah. I think me lemon's seen better days.
Yeah, it has. Just reach up that sheet. Was it hot? Hot lemon.
Yeah. Lemon. we'll do this bit here to make ourselves look professional.
I went to the best fish and chip shop in Wrexham.
Vinegar and red sauce as well, please. And a bit of mayo. Cheers. All the best.
What's it called?
Thanks for coming.
Jonesy's, and I was in the bank just sorting a few things out. This old gent sat chatting to me. I said I'm going to Wrexham Fish Bar, which I like. I find slightly above average. I know Jonesy's, and I went there. That's rubbish. I knew it anyway. I'd be sorting Wrexham's every Jonesy's fish and chip shop is brilliant. I have to remind myself, you've been there before, you've been before, don't go.
Don't go.
Yeah.
Well, we were disappointed with that one in Bala. Not Bala, what was it called? Barmouth. Well, I was anyway.
Yeah, they were.
No, it wasn't the best, was it? To be fair. We had much better. Well, the next run out to Barmouth, I'm going to show you the other Chippy.
Well, you said it, didn't you? You said it's not as...
Yeah.
Quite nice.
Well, I have a pot, why don't you just put gravy on there for me? Anyway. Stop whinging, Jackson.
Just have a bit of sophistication, isn't it, having it in the pot?
Yeah, no, true, I suppose, yeah. Well, so using proper ingredients, so proper almonds, proper £8, that's a plus. It's definitely a plus side. So, yeah, chips are okay. Chips are really nice, actually.
Oh, good.
Chips are really not hard.
Yeah. What's the fish like? That's the important thing, isn't it?
Hot.
Batter's nice and crunchy. And the most important thing is the fish is nice and white in it. Oh. Yeah, so after we finish this, get back to you and Jodie while you're there. So obviously a nice clean plate. One chip left, obviously I can see slightly damaged.
That's an offering to the gods, that.
Offering to the gods.
Yeah, it's very good actually. Nice steak ale pie with chips and gravy and some mushy peas. The pie was nice and crispy, not like you normally get where it's a bit soft. You put your fork in and it just dies on the plate in front of you. Quite tasty. Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Fantastic.
I'll give it a
What would you rate it?
7.5 to 8 out of 10.
And the most important question, would you come back and have it again?
Yes.
Oh,
only
okay.
because of the company.
Ah, right, okay. But if the company wasn't here? Yeah, okay. So that's a thumbs up then, by the sounds of things. Obviously, my verdict, because good old Stu there is still enjoying his stuff, his food. So yeah, so I'd say chips, plenty of them. Would you reckon?
Chips are good. Nice,
Chips are good.
Nice potatoes, nicely fried.
Yeah.
Fish, nice fillet of fish, nicely battered.
Yeah. Nice and white as well, clear, white, crispy.
8 out of 10 actually.
Yeah, I'd say 8.5 to be honest with you. 8.5.
You're trying to twist me.
No.
8.5, I'll go with that.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Value for money?
Value for money, £14.50. So I suppose today, when you're looking at other places, yeah, I suppose it is, isn't it? But to be fair, it was nice and hot, freshly made by the looks of things. Plenty of chips, plenty of fish.
Decent potatoes and a nice fillet of fish though, it's not cheap, is it?
No, it isn't. That's the thing,
Depends
yeah.
what the starting point is, isn't it?
They're
getting
and this actually tasted like fish as well, didn't it? Not like we had fish last time in Bournemouth, it didn't taste like fish. You thought it might have been a different fish, didn't you? Yeah. So 8.5.
Yeah, it was pretty big fish. I saw her fighting with it out the back before she put it in.
Yeah, it's a bit of a struggle. So the verdict is yes, I would come back again. I might try the steak and ale pie next time, just for a bit of different. What about yourself, Stu?
I possibly could try a meat and potato pie.
Meat and potato pie?
But it's quite filling, isn't it? Pie and chips.
Pie and
But
chips.
it is a lovely combination.
Yeah, so the verdict is then, the name of the place is Badell Aur in Bala. Definitely worth a visit, and take it from there really. So
next time you see us, we'll be on the bike having a little ride out somewhere, won't we? All the best.
Absolutely stuffed after that one. Right, so yeah, you joined us back now on our way to back roads to Lake Vyrnwy. So we're just going to have a little bit of jolly. And so we go, really. Yeah, just a bit of fun. At the tops, do a little bit of off-roading. There's a little place that I'm just going to mess about with. I say off-roading, it's literally just going up a small hill. That's about as close as I'm getting to off-roading the GS. So yeah, so the cafe, couldn't fault it. Good quality food. Yeah, as everything these days, expensive, but if you're getting good quality, you don't. Right, so next time I see you, we'll be up on the mountain, and then we're going to get the 360 camera out on the extension rod to just capture this beautiful scenery that we've got here. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. You know, when you thought things were a good idea at the time, but when you actually do them, they're not the best idea. And I think this is the situation now. Yeah, okay. Oh man, why did I do this? Okay, don't stall. Don't stall. Oh, there's only one way to go, and that's the left, because I'm not going all the way down there. Right. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Oh, thank god for that. Right, let's get back down here. Let's get the hell out of here. I've shit myself already. That's about as much off-roading as I'm doing. All the best. See ya.
That's what you call fun.
Right, so all things come to an end. Much appreciated. Thanks for watching. We had a great time, great scenery, good food, great friends, and that's what it's all about, really. So until the next time, you've been watching the North Wales Rider. Yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you for watching it to the end. Well, I had to because I edited it, but if anybody else watched it and enjoyed it, all the best. And welcome along the next ride. I'm going to do another review. Not too sure yet what, but you never know. Me and the boys are going to basically do a review, and then hopefully I get the microphone sorted out this time so I don't have to do an overdub, but never mind. Great time, loved it. So from me, Jody and Stu, all the best, take care, see you soon. Ta-ta, Rowan.